Hi there, students. To dare, a dare, or an adjective, daring, meaning brave. So to dare means to be brave enough to do something, or to be brave enough to try to do something. Most commonly, we use it in the negative. I don't dare ask my boss for a pay rise. I wouldn't dare to tell my wife she was wrong. Okay, so it's normally in the negative because it's normally I don't dare do this. But he dared to ask his boss for a pay rise would be perfectly valid. Okay, notice the verb to dare is a semi-modal verb. You can use it as a normal verb. I don't dare to do it. But you can also say, I dare not do it. Or even with a contraction, I daren't do it. Do you dare to do it? Dare you do it? Okay, so in both of these examples, it's acting as a modal. Now, when you use it as a normal verb with this meaning of to be brave enough to do something, the to, the infinitive after it, is optional. I don't dare to do it. I don't dare do it. So the to you can use or not. Do you dare to do it? Dare you do it? Okay. Here the to is optional again. We can also use the verb to dare, meaning to challenge or defy somebody to do something. But with this meaning, it always has the to if you use it as a normal verb. I dare you to kiss her. He dared me to steal the car. So here you are proposing a dare, a challenge to somebody to prove their courage. Yeah? As a dare, I dare you to kiss her. Okay? So, to challenge somebody to do something, to show how brave or how macho they are. So, let's look at some phrases with dare. I dare say. This is a phrase meaning probably. I dare say it will rain this afternoon. I dare say he's going to be late for the meeting. Probably, in my experience, this is what happens. I dare say. He's a very good artist. I dare say the best I have seen. We then have the phrase, don't you dare. Don't you dare arrive late. Don't you dare eat that cake. This is a phrase used to threaten somebody so that they don't do something. Don't you dare do that again. Okay? If you do, then something bad will happen to you. And then one more expression, how dare you? This is a phrase to express indignation. How dare you say that I'm wrong? How dare you talk to me like that? So this is indignation and anger at what somebody has said. So, let's go back to dare. To dare, to be brave enough to do something. I don't dare ask for more money. I daren't ask for more money. I don't dare to ask for more money. Or to challenge somebody's bravery. I dared him to eat the poisoned mushroom. Well, I hope he's okay. So, let's look at the formality of this. This is a neutral word. You can use it anywhere, in the most informal conversation and in the most formal document. So very flexible. Notice as well, to dare is a regular verb. He dared me. He has dared me. But remember, you can also use it as a modal verb. What about the origin? Well, there's an old English word, duran, meaning to dare. And that came from Proto-Germanic, duranzana, to dare again. And that in itself came from Proto-Indo-European. So, a word with a long history. So, a dare, a challenge. To dare somebody to do something. To defy them to do it, to show their bravery. And to dare, to be brave enough to do something. Okay? So, dare you comment in the comment section? I dare you to write some examples. I even dare you to give this video a like. So there we go, to dare. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dare.